Hey y'all, it's been a while. As mentioned in my last video, I'm going to start posting more educational content about day trading and prop firms, as I think this is probably more helpful to y'all than daily trade recaps. As a quick intro for my newer viewers, I've been day trading with prop firms for about 2 years now. To hold myself accountable, I've posted daily P&L and account balance updates on my channel, either through trade recap videos or community tab updates with full transparency for most of this time. Most recently, I documented 4 straight months of consistent withdrawals from Apex from October 2023 to February 2024, with daily P&L and account balance updates to prove that consistent withdrawals from prop firms, while very difficult, is absolutely possible. In my 2023 Trading Insights video, I shared what I believe to be the primary keys that helped me achieve these consistent withdrawals. Now I'll be sharing more detailed videos that focus on particular aspects of day trading, especially with prop firms. Today, I'll be focusing on the topic of prop firm account sizes and how misleading they can be. I'll be blunt. Most prop firms want you to fail your evaluation accounts. Like all businesses, they're trying to make money, and the easiest way for them to make money is from evaluation fees. Of course, prop firms can also make money by identifying excellent traders and giving them capital to trade with. This is the ideal scenario where the prop firm and trader both make money together from the profit splits. But let's be honest here. Consistently profitable traders probably make up less than 10% of all traders who trade prop firm accounts. Giving funded accounts to traders also exposes the prop firms to risk, because even the best traders can go on downswings and can lose a prop firm's capital. But evaluation accounts are sim accounts that traders pay a fee to trade on and do not expose the prop firms to any risk at all. From the prop firm's perspective, having traders continue to fail and pay for more evaluation accounts over and over again is the easiest way for them to make money, and you can bet they've taken measures to make these evaluations as hard as possible to pass. The most obvious obstacles they put in place are the max drawdown rules, but did you know that their allowable contract sizes are also designed to make you fail your evaluations? Let's take a look at the 25k eval accounts for Apex and Trade Day, which are the 2 prop firms that I currently trade with. For both these firms, the 25k eval accounts have a $1,500 profit target and a $1,500 trailing drawdown. Quick side note, I would only recommend trading 25k prop firm accounts because the profit target and trailing drawdown are the same, which makes these evaluation accounts objectively the easiest to pass. You'll see that the Apex 25k accounts have a max contract size of 4 ES contracts, and Trade Day 25k accounts have a max contract size of 2 ES contracts. When I first started trading 25k accounts, I would trade with 1 ES contract, thinking this is actually pretty responsible trade sizing relative to the account size. We often hear professional traders recommend risking at most 2% of your trading account per trade, which would be $500 on a 25k account. $500 of risk on 1 ES contract is a pretty considerable 10-point stop loss, and most of my trade stop losses were about $300 max, so my trade plan seemed pretty conservative, right? Wrong. When I kept blowing my evaluation accounts after having a few consecutive red days in a row, I quickly realized that my true account size was not $25,000. Because of the trailing max drawdown rules, I would lose the account as soon as the account value dropped below $1,500 from the maximum balance. So at the very highest, my account size was capped at $1,500. The 25k account label from the prop firms was really just a marketing stunt, designed to make me think that they were going to give me $25,000 of their capital to trade with, when in reality, my true account size can never be more than $1,500 due to the trailing drawdown rules. This made me further realize that trading 1 ES contract on a $1,500 account was actually pretty irresponsible, and it wasn't surprising that my accounts could never withstand any extended downswings. After these realizations, I sized down to micro ES contracts and set my max trade risk at $100 per trade. Sizing down was one of the most important changes I'd made to my trading plan that made me a lot more consistently profitable. My accounts began to survive enough downswings to make it to withdrawals, and even when I did blow accounts, they happened a lot less frequently, which saved me a lot of money in account fees. I want to emphasize that sizing down to micros was the right decision for me because of my personal trading style and risk tolerance. Responsible trade size is, of course, subjective, and traders with more aggressive trading styles and higher risk tolerances may find more success trading minis on the 25k accounts. The most important thing is that we recognize that the account sizes labeled by prop firms is really just a marketing gimmick. The big starting account balances we see in our prop firm accounts are misleading because they make us subconsciously believe that we have more capital to trade with, which in turn makes it more likely for us to oversize our trades and blow the account after only taking a couple of losses. The true account size of any prop firm account is the trailing drawdown threshold, because this is the maximum loss you can take before you lose the account. This is something you really need to keep in mind when trading a prop firm account, and develop your trading plan accordingly. Prop firms want to make it as difficult as possible for you to make a withdrawal, and giving their accounts these misleading account size labels is one of their tricks, but I want to reassure you that it's absolutely possible to withdraw from them. To date, I've withdrawn a total of $24,000 from Apex and $500 from Trade Day, which is how I can personally vouch that these prop firms do honor payout requests if you can make it there. I've blown a lot of accounts along the way to learn the various tips and best practices to maximize the chance of getting to withdrawals, and I'll be making more content sharing these with y'all. If you want to try out your own prop firm evaluation account with Apex or Trade Day, please use my affiliate code JOSHTRADES to get the best available discount for both these firms. I'm not monetized by YouTube, so these affiliate sales greatly help out the channel. But I want to be clear that it's very difficult to pass prop firm evaluations, and even more difficult to get to payouts. My main goal with these videos is to share insights as I learn them, in hopes that these can help y'all consistently withdraw from your prop firm accounts. As always, thanks for watching. Please leave a thumbs up if you found this helpful, and subscribe so you're notified of the next time I post a video. As mentioned, I'll be posting more content around prop firm tips, trader psychology, and also share more about my personal technical strategy, the LFG setup, going forward.